If I told you that one simple fruit could help protect your lungs from pollution, inflammation, and long-term damage, would you start eating it today? Most people focus on heart health, some focus on weight loss, but almost nobody thinks about protecting their lungs until breathing becomes difficult. Today, I'll explain which fruits are best for lung health and why they actually work. Your lungs are exposed to toxins every single day: air pollution, dust, smoke, infections. Over time, this leads to inflammation, oxidative stress, reduced lung capacity, slower tissue repair. That's why certain vitamins become extremely important for lung protection. The three most important ones are vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E. Let me explain why. Vitamin C, the lung protector. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It helps neutralize free radicals. It reduces inflammation. It supports immune defense in the lungs. If you want strong lung support, include fruits rich in vitamin C like amla, Indian gooseberry, oranges, guava, lemon, kiwi, tomatoes. Vitamin C helps slow down lung damage caused by pollution and smoking exposure. Vitamin A, lung tissue repair. Now let's talk about vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a key role in maintaining the lining of your respiratory tract. It keeps the inner membranes healthy. It supports tissue repair. It helps protect against infections. Fruits rich in vitamin A include mango, papaya, apricot, grapefruit, sweet pumpkin. If your lung lining stays strong, your breathing stays smoother. Vitamin E, anti-inflammatory support. Next comes vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that protects lung tissue from oxidative damage. It helps reduce inflammation. It supports cellular repair. Fruits rich in vitamin E include avocado, kiwi, blackberries, blueberries, mango, apricots. Including these fruits regularly may support long-term lung health. So, what is the healthiest fruit? Here's the truth. There isn't just one magical fruit. But if I had to choose one that combines strong antioxidant power with immune support, amla and guava are among the strongest options because of their extremely high vitamin C content. Important note, if you have asthma, COPD, tuberculosis, or any chronic lung condition, always consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Fruits support lung health. They are not a replacement for medical treatment. Protecting your lungs is not complicated. Add the right fruits, reduce exposure to toxins, stay active. Your lungs work for you every second. The least we can do is support them.